The following message is transmitted at the request of the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey. A boil water advisory is in effect for Port Authority facilities in New York, due to a potential water main failure. Boil tap water for at least 1 minute before drinking, cooking, brushing teeth, or making ice, or use bottled water. Follow staff instructions and monitor official Port Authority communications for updates.